Growing up, my grandmother had a way of turning simple ingredients into something magical. One of my fondest memories is standing beside her in the kitchen, watching her prepare yam and mackerel fish sauce. She would tell me stories about how this dish connected us to our roots. Oh. One day, as she boiled the yams, she explained how every ingredient tells a story. The yams represented our strength and resilience, while the mackerel symbolized abundance and nourishment. She would carefully blend spices, making the sauce burst with flavor. And I remember how the kitchen would fill with this amazing aroma that felt like home. As we sat down to enjoy our meal, she shared how this dish brought our family together, a tradition passed down through generations. It reminded me that cooking isn't just about food, it is about love, memories, and sharing moments with people we cherish. Now, as I make this dish, I feel her presence. Oh, Grandma. I hope to pass this tradition to my family. So let's dive into this recipe and create our own delicious memories together. I am now adding seasoning powder, thyme, curry, and paprika powder. Making the sauce, Grandma was always generous with crayfish powder. Here we have it, crayfish powder for extra flavor. Now it is time to add the star of the show, deboned mackerel fish. This dish is a banger. Like it's so flavorful and delicious. If you haven't tried it before, give it a try. And if you have tried it before, please let us know how it turned out. Did you enjoy it? Is it something you're going to try again? Leave your comments in the comment section. Now we have to stare carefully to combine everything together. Just look at this goodness. Oh my. Going in right now is our spring onion and then give it another stir and we are almost ready. Our mackerel fish sauce is now ready. So is our boiled yam. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more delicious dishes. See you in my next video. And there you have it, boiled yam with mackerel fish sauce. Let's give it a taste. My goodness. Ooh.